Welcome back, my wonderful people. Another multi-million business of Ndi Igbo. As we dey talk right now, they say that one don burn yata for inside Lagos State. You know say this magic fire wey Yoruba people, they carry dey put for Igbo business for Lagos. This say go better for them. The more wey dey burn Igbo business, the more they dey progress and the more hunger go dey wire una. If una like more na take am o, if una like more na no take am. Another way to pursue them and grab the land. My people, na so e be like this now. We go bring the video come show una. But as e stand right now, a lot of people don come outside come speak up. Since this man, whether they call Babangida or whatever they call am, wey come outside come talk, they say a lot of people don speak out concerning the marginalization and the injustice wey dey give to Ndi Igbo. We go bring the video so come show una. Abeg make you stay tuned dey watch these videos from beginning to end, make you understand as e take dey happen. Now we come dey get another information say that the ESN and the Fulani herdsmen wey dey carry cow, no be small thing o. They say ESN don show them shege for this time around, since wey they say they go to use cow dey buy people dey go, no be for our land. Make we play the videos, make we dey watch am one after the other. Just stay tuned because na a lot of videos dey here, so watch am from beginning to end, make you understand as it take dey happen.
Remember, I'm not an Igbo man, I'm an Yoruba man, but I hate injustice. After 56 years, somebody was bold enough to say that it wasn't an Igbo coup in 1966 that killed the then Prime Minister, that subsequently led to the Civil War. Listen, there's something called schema. Schema is the files in your brain based on information that you have heard that forms the framework for your analysis and response to information and to people. And so a great percentage of people of northern extraction had the impression that the Igbos were the ones who planned the coup. And it has turned out to be untrue from Babangida's reports and from the reports of several others, including Chukwuemeka Odumegu Ojukwu. I have lived with the Igbos. They are not the picture your evil fathers painted for you or painted to you that is determining your reaction to them. There might be few unscrupulous people, just like in every other tribe. But the Igbos are very, very patriotic citizens. Imagine the number of people that died during the Civil War. Imagine the starvation of children. Imagine abandoned properties. Imagine those killed in the north. Pregnant women, their bellies were opened and children were exterminated. That's one of the greatest evils we ever committed in this country. And we must apologize to the Igbo nation. We must compensate them. And if they are saying they don't want to be in this country, they have a solid point.
My people, now let me play this video for you to hear and also see by yourself how this particular warehouse wey belongs to Igbo man take burn yata.
Nna kịta ka chifu n'ezie ka ọkụ asịrị agbasi n'ime afọ ndị aka ndị mmadụ wee ka ọkụ siri n'ezie ka ọkụ siri ebe tu ka anyị nọ n'ime afọ wee na-ekwe nche ọkụ n'ezie ngwa afịa ndị Igbo lee ngwa afịa ndị Igbo Everything done gone. Everything done gone. Everything done gone. All the vibes, all the power vibes. Billions of naira can be paper. Billions of naira. Billions. Billions. Naira. Billions.
My wonderful people, no be smart, maybe you don't see am. A lot of people don dey write for inside this video say may Igbo people may they come back home, may they come back home, may they do this one. Oh, the truth of the matter is that since Yoruba people don decide say they go dey burn Igbo properties, they say fire catcher, who dey pull the fire? That is the question. But however, they say today na your own, the other day na another person own. Keep doing what you are doing, but you cannot chase Igbo where they buy properties. So everybody is shouting, if you invest in real estate, you can choose to buy property all over the world, anywhere you want. You can choose to buy property. So I don't know the reason why the Igbo people own in Lagos become different. But however, the creator is watching. The God of Calm will fight for them. Let me also play this video. May you see as it dey happen now as we dey talk. Listen to this video I want play you now.
Maka Chukwu kere Igbo kesiri Igbo ike. Igbo ka mbụ. Ọ bụ na ndekọ maka abụ onye Igbo. O nwere egwu na egwu Igbo sị, ọ bụ na na-abịa ụwa ọzọ, ụwa m ọzọ, ụwa m asaa, aga m abụkwa onye Igbo, aga onye ebe ahụ. Ọ bụ na m onye Igbo. Igbo mbụ njimara Igbo, etu aka Igbo dị. Olu ka alụchaziri agha. Ọ bazie oke n'ọhịa, mgbere n'ụzọ. Akwa na-ekwu maka anyị ịpụtara bụrụ Biafra. Ya mara ịchọ ịkwa ya afọ.
Aka na Yoruba. Ogbo na akọ afọ.
Ka anyị nwee Biafra. Ọ bụ anyị nwee Biafra bụ isi. Udo ga-adị. Ebe ịfụnanya dị. Ebe ahụ aka udo ga-adị. Baa n'ezinụlọ ndị Igbo. Ọkụrisichana. Nwanne na nwanne. Abụzighị nwanne ka esi mara Igbo. Igbo abịa na tribe. Gịnị bụ Igbo by the way? Njụọ gị na ajụmajụ. Gịnị bụ nkọwa sị kọwa? Gịnị bụ nkọwa Igbo? Gịnị bụ IGBO? O nwere Igbo ya bụ njụọ kịta. Gịnị bụ Igbo? Ọ maghị Igbo bụ Igbo. Igbo bụ ahụ oji na-anaghị akpa oke. Oji eme ncha. Igbo eme ncha. Igbo na-akpọrọ nwa onye ọzọ zụ ya dịka nwa ya. Ihe eji mara Igbo. Aka na-ekwu adaptara Igbo bido ume na gboo na tribe ihe dị n'ụwa niile. Mana kịta ọ dịzighị etu anwa. Now, gịnị ka anyị ga-eme ka ọ dị solution ka anyị na-ekuzi okwu ya kịta? Anyị afụghị ebe mmiri si gba opi ụgbọgụrụ. Bụ na anyị ga-ebido ịfụ onwe anyị n'anya. Anyị onweghị onye amụ n'ụwa amụpụta ego. Ọ bụ na Igbo ji ebido ifo onwe ha n'anya bụ onwe anyị eziokwu. O nwere mbọsị a na-ekwu okwu kasa mmekwuru ihe mfụrụ Max Biafra nsị na ga-enwe Biafra na ọ bụ na Igbo gịnị jikọta ọnụ. O nwere ha na-akpọ neighbors, agbata obi onye bụ gịnị nwanne ya. Kedu maka agbata obi unu? Kedu ka unu na ha dị? Ya bịa na ajụ ndị Igbo. Agbata obi unu keko na ha si wee dị. Ofu onye ọ na-achụ ngwere mgbe ha aja? No. Anyị ga-abịasị ndị agbata obi anyị a ka anyị na ha si wee dị. Anyị ewere ike anyị aha lue jekwa agbata obi anyị o nwere ka anyị.
For most of una wey no dey understand Igbo, is calling Igbo brothers to make sure they make peace with their neighbors so that they can be able to stand on what they are asking, which is the total restoration of Biafra, so that they can stay on their own and decide their future. But if they do not make peace with their neighbors, it will be difficult for us to be able to stay on our own. However, let me play you this video. May you hear what Obasanjo talk for this video before we jump inside another Ogbonge news.
A lot of agitation. Some people say they won't come out from Nigeria. Some people say no, make we no come out. Some people say now restructuring. What do you think?
The problem is be say people are fed up because waiting they want, they no get. Hungry they catch them. Work they no get. Family they no fit look after. So they look for anything that they will see will give them, make their belly sweet. Small young people for Southeast, they say Biafra. The thing they say they no happy. They no happy as things they for Nigeria, and I no blame them.
My wonderful people, for most of una who want watch the video of ESN versus Fulani, go to our you're going to see it there, former Twitter. Go there, you will see it that place and watch it. My people, una don't hear them. As we they get this information now, they understand say for inside the Edo state, say Fulani enter some houses, go by many people. As it they happen for other parts for inside Biafra land. Now the same way they happen for all over places we fall into Biafra and the neighboring villages or neighboring towns or communities near Biafra. I don't know the reason why they are circling us and try to buy us by all means. But however, I don't see as it they be. As it start right now, where they don't finally talk say that this war, all these things where they do for Nigeria, for example, as they say they talk up now, say they are Igbo cool, na Igbo cool, na Igbo cool, and na, this IBB don't come outside, come talk, say no be the Igbo do am. So wetin go come be the fate of Igbo now? Will Nigeria hand over things wey belongs to Igbos back to them, or will Nigeria allow the Igbos to face their own nation? So we are watching to see what will happen. But let me tell you, heavy rain is about to fall in that contraction. Right, cut out this video. Heavy rain is going to fall in that contraction called Nigeria. Those people who don't want to free the people to go, or those people who have the power to do it and they refuse to do it, that rain is going to wash them out. And by that time, you understand the kind of friend that I'm talking about. My people, wanna share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.